twice, cut once.
Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl.
They kept the bike rideable. Wait for the ending.
Could've sworn I was dreaming, for her I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking on
this is getting crazy now.
Trying to figure out what I do to make it go back.
Tiny outside.
Ever since my girl left
Luxury
me,
inside.
my whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely. Mystery.